Today we share very sad news. We honor the life of Louisa Merritt, a respected educator and school leader. She was a kind, caring, and dedicated teacher who helped many students learn and grow. Her work in education touched many lives and made a real difference in her school community. Students and friends remember her as a strong, positive, and inspiring person. Her passing has brought deep sadness to everyone who know her. Many people are sharing love, prayers, and memories for her family during this difficult time. She will always be remembered for her kindness, her leadership, and her passion for teaching. Louisa Merritt's legacy will live on in the hearts of her students and colleagues. May she rest in peace. Thank you for watching.